Trading with AI is easy. Actually, you hear that and you probably think, no way, right? Well, in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly why that statement might just be true. We're diving into a really simple way to look at automated trading that kind of flips the script on everything you've heard about complexity in finance.
I mean, that is a bold statement, isn't it? In a world where AI and finance seem like they're designed to be impossibly complicated, this idea just cuts right through all that noise. It totally challenges that common belief that you need to be some kind of coding genius to make AI work for you in the markets.
Just imagine that for a second. That's the dream, right? The ultimate promise of automation. Setting up a system that's so reliable, so efficient, that it just handles your strategy for you, freeing you up to, well, do literally anything else. That's the goal. But how in the world do we get there?
And this, right here, is where the path usually gets super complicated. There's this illusion of complexity. It's the belief that to get that amazing hands-off automation, you have to build something incredibly intricate, like a system straight out of a sci-fi movie.
So, the typical route a lot of people think of involves using something called an LLM API. Think of it like this. You're trying to teach a super smart AI to read and understand the entire internet just to make a single trading decision. You've got to feed it tons of data, then you have to figure out the exact right way to ask it a question, that's the prompt engineering part, to get it to do the right thing. As you can imagine, it's a huge, heavy lift. And here's the real insight, the aha moment. The source material we're looking at warns that for a lot of trading goals, this super complex approach can be nothing more than unproductive filler. You're basically building a rocket ship when all you really need is a bicycle. It's just over-engineering the solution when a much, much simpler path is right there.
So, if that's the complicated way, what's the alternative? Well, this brings us to the core idea of this entire explainer, the incredible power of keeping it simple. Specifically, the power of simple code.
Now, check this out. This is what's so cool. It lays out the two paths side by side. On the left, you've got that heavy LLM API approach. All the data training, the high cost, the works. But just look at the right side. A simple code trigger doesn't need to interpret language or understand nuance. It just needs to follow a direct command. It's all based on simple if this, then that logic. And what does that mean? It's incredibly fast, it's cheap, and it's reliable. Okay, so this simple code trigger sounds pretty good, but what does it actually look like in the real world? Let's break down how it works, because I promise you, it's way more straightforward than you might think. It really just boils down to 3 simple steps. First, you define a very specific thing you're waiting for, like a stock hitting a price you've set. Second, you write a tiny piece of code that just says, if this event happens, then do this action. And third, the program just sits and waits, and the moment that trigger is hit, it automatically executes the action you wanted. No interpretation, no guesswork, just pure execution.
And this really gets to the heart of it all. The goal isn't to have some philosophical chat with an AI about market trends. The goal is super simple. Trigger a program to sell stock options the instant a specific condition is met. It's a precision tool for a very specific job.
All right, let's wrap this all up. If you walk away with just a few key ideas from this explainer, here's what they should be. The biggest takeaway is this: simplicity can be way more powerful than complexity. For clear, well-defined tasks and automated trading, a direct code trigger can be far more effective than a giant, over-engineered AI tool. Now, it is absolutely crucial to remember something. This explainer is just showing one way of looking at the market. This is not financial advice. You should always do your own thorough research before making any financial decision. If this breakdown helped you see things in a new light, we'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. And for sure, make sure you're following our channel so you don't miss our next explainer.
And finally, we want to hear from you. This whole idea of simplicity versus complexity, it applies to so much more than just trading, right? What's your take on it, especially when you think about technology and finance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a great discussion going. Thanks for watching.